Hello friends, this is DRV Creation YouTube channel. Today my video is about DIY aquarium filters. This is for a 4.5 feet long planted tank. You can use this filter for any kind of aquarium. Uh, this is a inbuilt uh, and very cost effective and high performance filter. So watch the video until the end to know about the filter, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon if you're not a subscriber of my channel. Okay, now we will start. This is the tank, 4.5 feet long tank. I have already built the structure of the filter. If your tank is a very long one, maybe 6 more than 6-7 feet, then you can have two filters for both ends of the tank. This is the filter partitions. There are three small chambers in this partition. Here you can see a glass with some holes, that is to enter the water into the filter. Water from the tank will enter to the filter through these small holes, and this area to fill the filter media. Water entering chamber is very small. Filter media areas is the largest part of the filter. This is to install the pump and take the water output through the pump to the tank. This filter is very efficient, and the initial investment is very low. This is a sketch of the side view of the filter. Here you can see three glass partitions, glass number 1, 2 and 3. Those are the glasses used to partition the filter. Glass number 1, there are some holes on the bottom of the glass number 1 to enter the water into the filter. Those holes should be placed above the substrate level, and if you can make small holes, otherwise if you make large holes, then you have to definitely cover with some kind of mesh to avoid fish come into the filter. You can use stainless steel mesh or plastic mesh for that. Then through glass number 1, water enter to the water entering partition. Then it will overflow to the filter media through glass number 2. Glass number 2 always should be shorter than the tank height, maybe 6-7 inches shorter than the tank height. The maximum filtration height is the glass number 2 height. If the water level is below the glass number 2, then the filtering process will not happen. The water level of the tank always should be above the glass number 2 level height. Water entering partition, no need to be a very wide one. 2-3 inches size partition is enough. The filter media area should be the largest part of the filter. As filter medias, you can use sponge, biopores, ceramic, and stone chips, and some advanced filtering material also you can use, like active carbon. You can arrange according to the size of the material, the filter media. For the bottom, I always use some gravel or gravel ceramic balls and stone chips. For the top of the layer, I prefer to use a sponge. I have marked the water flowing path with a red color line. Water enter to the filter media unit, then it will go to the pump area through the opening which I have shown in the diagram. It should be the bottom of the opening, should be bottom of the glass number 3. Then the pump will uh, pump the water from the filter to the tank. In this case, I have used a hose, but you can use a PVC pipe also for this. When you maintain a height gap between water level and the hose, then there will be a space to touch the water with the air. Then it will bring some oxygen and air aeration will happen. That is good for fish and to improve the water quality of the tank also. The open area of class 3 definitely should be bottom of the glass. Okay. I hope now you can understand the operation of the filter, and you can make up your own side filter for your tank aquarium. If the tank length is be more than 6-7 feet, then you better have 2 filters for 2 side walls of the tank. This is a very effective and highly efficient filter. Here you can see I have kept some gap between water entering and the water level to mix the air with water to improve the quality of the water. This is the practical function, how it's happening. Water enter to the filtering chamber. These are the holes which I already mentioned. This is the height of the glass I already discussed. This is filtering area. You can when you clean the filter, you can take out this filter media and properly wash it and reuse it. That's how you clean the filter. For the bottom, I have used some ceramic balls and small gravels also. This is the opening which I already mentioned, the water entering opening to the pump area. These pumps are available in aquarium shops, submergible small pumps. You should better run this filter 24 hours. That is about my DIY planter tank filter. If you like the video, please give me a like, and if you think it is worth, share it, and please subscribe my channel. to get notification about my new videos. And thank you very much for watching.